Do you want to know how to add multiple links on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So, Instagram finally has an update where you could add 5 links to Instagram bio instead of just one. All you have to do is open your Instagram application and then click on your profile here and then press edit profile right over here. And as long as you updated your Instagram app, in the link section you could actually add multiple different links. So the first thing you got to do is click on add links, and here you need to add an external link. This could be to a YouTube video, it could be a website, basically anywhere outside of Instagram. So click here, and now you have to type in a URL. So it could be a website or anything, and here you can give it a title, for example a YouTube training, and press done right here and click done. So here the one link that has been added, but you can add another links as well, and also you don't have to give a title, you could just press done if you want. And now if you go back to my profile just to show you, and I will press down over here just to save it, and then if I refresh my profile, you have this link section so people can click it and see multiple different links just like this. And that's how you can add 5 multiple different links on your Instagram bio. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.